Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm bringing you another Louis Vuitton video today. I just want to quickly touch on Louis Vuitton, especially during the COVID-19 and the quarantine, because all the stores are closed down. The CAs, the client advisors, are still working from home. So if you're willing, like if you're looking to purchase anything and you have a client advisor, they can send you a special link that you can use to purchase through, and they will make the commission off of that. So it's great to help them out with what you can. But another thing is, a lot of collections I know has been delayed because of the coronavirus, and there were some things supposed to be released in store, but instead, since the store isn't open, they just did like an early release or early launch online. So such as the women's summer 2020 collection, the Escale, I think it's called the Escale, I don't know, but you know which collection I'm talking about. It's the one with all the pastels, the reds and the blues. My client advisor actually sent me a link and told me to go purchase because it was launching around, I think it was like 7 p.m. I forget which day it was, but it was, I know it was on 7 p.m. Eastern time. It's good to keep in touch with your client advisor because they can still help you out even though you can't go into the store and purchase things. So this is the women's summer collection. So there's two things I picked up. First is the Kirigami pouches, the box, and the dust bag. I want to mention that the Kirigami pouch has 3 pieces, but I don't have the other piece because I gave it to a relative of mine because they really liked it, and I didn't really care for it because it's the really small one. So this is the large pouch. Comes in the this is called the pastel, so it's like pink, there's like a lavender color, there's like a light blue, I believe it's a yellow. Inside the medium pouch is a blue. So this is the blue one. Okay, and the interior of this one is a dark blue. You know, you can use it as like a catch-all if you have like a purse or a bag. Holds an iPad mini, which I tried already. It fits an iPad mini. I'll see if it fits an iPad mini, it's gonna fit the phone in. This one has a pink interior. Kirigami pouch has a date code on the inside. It's all the way in the corner where my finger's pointing. Okay, so that's the Kirigami pouch. They gave it to me in this really big box, which I'm not complaining. The bigger the box, the better. But it is the Toiletry Pouch. Okay. And here's the, I got it in the blue. I wanted the pastel one, but then I was like, you know, try not to over order and spend too much money, so I didn't get the pastel one. And then obviously when it was sold out, I wanted it. But this is the blue one. This one's a little more subtle and neutral color look. It has silver hardware. Interior, okay, it came with this pamphlet booklet. So the interior of the bag, it's a blue, as you can tell. So in my opinion, it won't get dirty that easily. Like if you spill something, or if you put makeup in here and you know, something kind of like spills or marks up the bag, you can't really tell because there's a dark interior. I do have the Toiletry Pouch 2060 original brown monogram. That one has a light interior, so that one, if you don't take care of it, you can stain the inside of the bag. But one thing I want to point out about this bag is that the bottom of the bag, I don't know, let's close up. Can you tell how it rounds at the bottom? So it doesn't sit, it cannot sit flat on a surface, which might be bothersome to some people. I think it's the way that this specific Toiletry Pouch was made. I even tried putting like some things in here and it just doesn't really. Let me grab a flat surface. Okay. Oh, so it holds, kind of. It's kind of you see, it's like waddling. So like I guess if you put a lot of things in there, it's gonna hold up. But I know most people, when they carry this, they don't want to have like a ton, like they're not gonna carry a whole, you see, they're not gonna carry a remote with them, they're not gonna have a whole 400-page book with them. Yeah, so if you pack light on this, it does not stay, because I tried it before. But if you pack very heavy, it will. So that's something to take into consideration with this Toiletry Pouch if it's something that you really want. But